Okay, now I will explain the admin dashboard. The admin access is hidden inside the footer in the landing page through the, you can observe the portal text. For a security purpose, the admin login is directly managed from the backend database itself, so there is no publicly option to create or a reset admin credentials. After entering the admin email id and password, the admin dashboard opens. This is the login page of the admin. The dashboard contains multiple sections like overview, subject and schema management, resource upload, active ledger, student management, payments, comments, login logs, YouTube notify, platform setting. I will explain one by one. First, the overview section. It shows the complete platform analytic, like the total students, total active students, total subject, upload resource, purchases, best selling resources, top viewing notes, uh, up branch engagement, like that. Top view notes, branch engagement. Active students are identified based on the recent login. If the student has not logged in for over 30 days, they are considered inactive. The notes section is highly secured with watermark. I will explain it on student dashboard. Okay, most purchased by month this month, and this is a all time purchased. Next is subject and schema. This is most important to platform. Next is the subject and schema management. Here the admin can create a schema, branch and subject dynamically. Currently default schema like 2022 and 2025 are added, but future schema can also create. Subject are created based on the schema. When the subject is created, it will add to both schemas. Subject are created. Once the subject is created, admin can upload a resource if the resource is okay. This is a branch. Admin can create a branch. At present there is a registered default branch or available, but in the future purpose the admin can create a branch also, and they can delete the branch and a schema what they are created. Okay, next is a register VTU. In this, the admin should select schema first, and next is course category. Course category, there is an two types of course, like a first year common for all. I will explain with the student dashboard. And second one is the engineering process. When the admin select first year, there is having only two semester in the first year, that is common for all branches. And engineering branches, the admin can select a branch, which branch the resource should upload, they can select. And mentioning the subject name and a semester of that particular branch, and subject code. The subject name and subject code is most important for a searching purpose also, and inputting this all required, the admin can upload the, or that can create the subject. The firstly, creation of a subject is important. When I click on add to catalog, it will create a subject. Here you can see, I previously I tested some creating some subjects for testing purpose. It is created. And next is a resource upload. This is also most important thing after subject and schema. Once the subject is created, admin can upload the resources. If no resource is uploaded yet, the student can see coming soon. Once the upload, student can directly view the notes. Okay. Admin can, this is a resource vault. When the admin create a subject, they can upload the resources according to the subject. Admin can upload the module wise notes. I will explain one by one. First, admin should select a schema, which is schema like that, and next, admin should select a subject, and in the configure resource type, admin can upload three configure resource types like module notes, passing package, and scoring package. And you can observe the orange representation. This represents there is no uploaded previously, and you can observe the green tick mark. This represent already resource uploaded. You can see when you click on the uploaded resources card, resource already exists. Please delete the existing file before upload a new one. Existing resource must be deleted before the uploading a new version. Upload resource are dynamically reflected in the student dashboard. I tested, it is working. And selecting the modules, admin can upload, drag and drop, or search in the local device of a file. And what resource now, and it is dynamically reflect in the student dashboard. And here the recent uploads, vault inventory represents the recent uploads of the particular branch or a particular subject like that. Okay. Next is a active ledger. Platform activity. The activity ledger works like a history tracker. It records all subject creation, uploads, deletion, timestamp, schema, branch, semester, and resource action. Everything is searchable and filterable month wise and year wise. Okay. And next is student management. Student management. Admin can view total student, active student, block student, and search student using a name, email ID, branch, or year. Filter student can also block it and unblock it. It is like a month wise, and the total student is the in the card, but the yearly in this year the total student is counted in the last of the section, and it count like by month April 2026, May 2026, and the admin can export PDF also, like this. Export by month, export by year, like this. Okay, next is payments. The payment section front end is completed, but the payment gateway API is not yet integrated. The page is already designed with a revenue tracking, transaction analytics, gateway fees, and export option also, like you can observe, by month, by year, by filter also. It is same like previous year, next year, and month wise like a Google Pay, and a total month revenue, and in that particular month the total transaction, successful transaction, and failure also, like this I designed. And next is comments. The comments management, student comments are fetched here. Admin can mark comments as a preferred at the, and when the admin mark the comments as a preference in the landing page, the the preferred one is appear on the top dynamically, and the admin can remove also, and admin can also delete also. Abusive comments completely delete from the database. And next is login logs. The login logs section tracks all admin login and logout activities. For a security purpose, I designed this page. And next is notification system, which are one of the main feature of the platform. Before explaining the YouTube Notify, I will briefly explain about notification system of the entire platform. There is an three notification. Three notification system, like admin dashboard notification. You can observe here. Mm. The admin notification are mainly for a system alert or error, and the platform notification and email notification. For student there is two notification categories: one YouTube notification, another one is resource notification. The both YouTube notification and resource notification is designed to platform notification and email notification. For YouTube notification, uh, for YouTube notification, admin can manually add video title, description, YouTube link. Once the submitted, student receives the both platform notification inside their dashboard and the email notification with a direct YouTube link. Okay, I think I thought like this, and this system was fully tested and working successfully. The resource notification system is rule based and behavior based. Notification are filtered using a branch, semester, search behavior, student interest. For example, if the CS related resource is uploaded by the admin, only relevant CS student receive the notification instead of all student. I thought like this. And finally the notifications work like this. And next one is platform setting. Finally, The platform settings section is currently front end only. After the payment gateway integrated and final testing, additionally setting can be configured. You can design the platform setting. I have designed front end. This is the complete overview of a admin dashboard. Next I will explain student dashboard. Okay, and another one is I tested all these features. All features are working successfully, and the sign out also. That's all. Thank you.